Hello everyone. Today I am explaining the dotting tool. A great first tool for those looking to get into nail art is the dotting tool. This tool is incredibly easy to use. It has a long handle with a small round ball at each tip. Some dotting tool will only have one tip. As you can probably guess by the name, dotting tools are primarily used to create dots. But that doesn't mean that your nail art has to be simple or boring. You can use the dotting tool to create flower, a starry sky, and even enhance designs with a few strategic dots. To use dotting tools, simply drip some nail polish on a non-porous surface like a palette or piece of paper. Dip the tool in it and dot your nail. The key here is to coat the ball at the top of the tool with enough nail color to create an appropriate design of dot. The more you add, the bigger your dot will be. If you need to create small ball dots but can't find a dotting tool, you can use toothpick, the end of a swing pin, or even a round end of a bobby pin. For larger dots, the end of paintbrush to make brush handle work well. Dotting tool is a very helpful tool for those who are interested in nail art. And I am a professional nail art and I create the design with dotting tool as well. Dotting tool you can easily buy from Amazon or eBay.com. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my content with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.